The homeowners, Mike and Robin, asked us to rebuild and restore a freestanding detached one-car garage on the property that was about to fall down. Mike placed special emphasis on updating the garage as he's an avid car buff and heavily involved in restoring vintage automobiles. With a raw, unfinished surface, concrete, while unquestionably durable, is both uninteresting appearance-wise and it tends to be highly porous. Automotive fluids also wreak havoc with an unsealed concrete floor, seeping into and generally permanently staining it. Well, enter Daich Coatings. They provided a solution that would not only seal and protect the surface, but would also deliver today's optimum in high-tech finishes for concrete. Daich Coatings pioneered top-of-the-line, extremely hard textured decorative stone coatings used to resurface all types of concrete applications, both indoors and out. Daich Coatings are known for their high performance, penetration, and adhesion into concrete, and that they are a very easy to use DIY option for any consumer. Another key benefit is that this product provides excellent foot traction with a slip resistance rating of up to twice the OSHA classification for non-slip walking surfaces. We use Daich Coatings' deep slate gray roller rock product on the garage floor. After applying 2 coats of roller rock, the grout line stencil was pulled up and a top coat of industrial strength Daich die-hard clear epoxy was applied. The result? A beautiful garage floor that meets every criteria and more requested by the homeowner, and the visual transformation is amazing.
Well, the Daich coating in my garage is one of the crowning jewels of the whole place, I think. Someone who spills oil and other contaminants on the floor all the time, it's nice to have a floor that I'll just be able to wipe up and get that stuff up without all the strenuous cleaning and chemicals that I used to have to use on my concrete floor. On top of that, it's just absolutely beautiful.
Want to learn more about Daich Coatings? Visit their website at daichcoatings.com.